This is the brand new WOLFBOX 900 4K front camera, 2.5 rear camera. It's installed in a 2016 4Runner. What I like about the camera right from the start, with it turned off, it's still a rear view mirror. So you can still use it for your rear view mirror. I have it hardwired installed into my vehicle with the factory parking power cable. It's routed under here, and I have it down into my fuse box with the positive for the power and the AC. That way I have a parking monitoring. My GPS, I ran it up through here, very clean install, and the GPS sensor is under my pillar. Very clean install, very clean. The mirror right this second is in parking mode, so I'm going to start my car. But first I wanted to show you how I installed my rear camera. It's a 2.5 pixel camera. It's a really nice camera. And I have a clean install through here into my pillar. I do not have the backup camera installed because I have one in my vehicle, but if you wanted to, it would be the yellow wire in the harness. Run it to your positive pole of your backup light. So I'm starting the car. The mirror boots up. It automatically goes to the rear, which is adjustable. Here's your settings. Very easy. Everything's just very easy. All these settings. This is your parking adjustments. Get back out of it. Here's your playback. If you have the parking hooked up, you'll have front urgent album, which stores anything that would trip the G meter, whether the car's parked or not. Very nice user interface. There I'm cleaning my car and I tripped the monitor. Front normal, again front urgent. If you want to take a photo, your rear normal album and your rear urgent, and again rear photo. Another thing I would like about this mirror is you can swipe it from, first of all, you can adjust this is my rear, and it's 2.5. Look how crisp that is. Gonna go up and down. You can have split screen. There's my front. The glare looks worse through the video than is with the mirror. I apologize about that. You can have the front and the rear only, the front only. Again, can adjust up and down. What I like about the camera, why I really bought it the most, is with my mirrors, it's hard to see between my two back seats. So now I have unobstructed view behind me. I love it. GPS, how long you've been videoing, your date, time. Look at that, you can read the license plate, which I should blank out. There you have it, folks. There's your WOLFBOX G900. I hope you enjoy it like I do.